All right. Thank you, Brittney. Thank you for letting me know. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? I just started, so I was just reminding people about the deadlines. Can you hear me, Brittney? Or whoever is here? I think you should hear me now. Let me just check the audio again. I think you should be fine. Yes, awesome. Thank you for confirming. Thank you. Yeah, so reconciliation. So a lot of people ask about reconciliation, and it is actually every month you have to check your bank statements with your transaction that shows up on your, hopefully, your software, your accounting software. That's the simple one. That's the symbol for actually the business owners, small business owners, not big corporation, because it can get more complicated than that. But for you guys, for business owners, for nonprofits, if you are in a certain size, you don't need as much reconciliation as big company. However, you still need reconciliation. What do you do? What do you do exactly? So your accountant, hopefully, or if you know how to do basic bookkeeping, you, after putting the chart of account, after actually connecting your bank account, credit cards to your QuickBook or whatever software you are using, you will need to categorize this transaction, saying this expense is related to sales, this expense is related to marketing, this is related to legal services, this is for accounting, this is for whatever. So this is basically the chart of accounts. After that, after you do all of this, each month you will get the statement from your bank, right? You get the statements from your bank, from your credit card. You take that statement and compare it to all the transaction you have, and then reconcile them in your system and make sure you do not have duplicate, you do not have anything missing. And that is basically reconciliation. It can be, you can reconcile your vendor's account. For example, you have supplies from one vendor, you want to make sure there is no discrepancy in the accounts, so you reconcile that vendor account. So big companies or big nonprofit, they do this reconciliation every single month for everything, for vendors, for clients, for everything, to make sure they're not missing anything. They have the capacity to do this because they have team of accounting, finance and accounting. But if they don't have in-house one, they can also afford to hire someone to do all this service, for example. But this service is not going to be cheap, right? It's going to cost a lot of money, but it's worth it, because often you actually see a lot of things missing, a lot of money sitting there in the account somewhere that you are not bringing into your business, even though it just take one step to bring it because you already earned it. But because you're not reconciling, you're not sure who owes you and who do you owe. So it's usually, like I said, it happens for every single account in the chart of accounts in the big corporation. But for you guys in small businesses, you don't need reconciliation for each account. However, every cash account has to have reconciliation. Every cash account, because if you don't have that, there's gonna be money missing. Your reports won't be accurate, because how are you making decisions, right? You have to have reports, financial reports, and your financial reports have to be accurate. If you do not have accurate financial statement, or if you do not have reconciliation, you won't have accurate financial statements. Therefore, your decisions will be wrong. So it won't be reliable. I hear people saying there is actually, they only do reconciliation twice a year or maybe once a year. Well, this does not work, because what did you do the entire year? How did you make your decision? I'm sure you lost a lot of opportunities because you're not really doing what you're supposed to do. You did not take it seriously. You did not actually see where are you at, because just connecting your bank account to your software doesn't really do anything. Better than nothing, better than nothing. But it's not gonna give you the quality of information and the push to really help you grow your business and take it to the next level. So you want to be careful here. Reconciliation is really important. Now, I wrote some notes here, so let me see what else I wrote. Says, can you go around that and do it only every few months, or not do it at all and just generate your financial statement? Again, it's no, you cannot. I mean, no one's going to tell you not to, but you're not going to get the accurate data to make your decision. So why would you do that to yourself, to your company, to your nonprofit? How can you tell, like, what do you need to do to grow? How can you tell where are you spending your money? How can you tell who is your best client? Because if you do not know who's your best client, you won't be able to replicate the process that helped you get that client. You might be actually focusing on the wrong client while you're generating income from totally different market. If you do not know what you have, if you do not know if you are profiting even, right? How much does it cost you to do something, to get to your service? How much does it cost you to get the final products, including every single thing? How did you know if you were profitable or not? How would you come up with your profit margin? You won't be able to come up with your profit margin because, yeah, you're going to get a number. That number is not going to get accurate. So it's not going to be accurate. So whatever you think or decision that you're going to make based on that number won't be a right decision, unless it's by chance was a right decision. But that does not mean it's really actually the right decision. So I hope that was helpful. Let me know in the chat if you have any question about reconciliation. What does it mean? If you still have question, let me know. I'll be happy to get back to you and maybe make another video just to let you know, just to answer your questions. It is important to understand now we are approaching the last quarter of the year. There's no time to be wasted. Make sure you do your bookkeeping for 2023. If you have not yet, make sure to cut up on that, because if you do not, you're going to be delaying your taxes next year. And if you do that, you're not going to be able to bring your business into the next level, because you will be worried like you did not close your books. You did not actually file your taxes for your business. You want to just put your year behind to be able to be current. Focus on the year that you are in. So if you did not do this actually for 2023, make sure you are in that position for 2024. Make sure you get caught up now so you can focus on 2024. Also, again, put your goals for 2020 for this last quarter, because a lot to do now. 90 days left. You can do a lot for 90 days. You can do it can be a game changer for you. It can set you for success for 2024. So make sure you put your business into the right steps. Do your bookkeeping, get ahead of more than that, and do cash flow. Make sure you are profitable. Do everything you have to do. Do not just leave it for chances, because just wishing and hoping that you're going to get profitable, it's not going to get you profits. Just hoping and praying that you're going to be succeeding, it's not going to make you succeed. There is a formula for everything. You have to be on top of that. You have to put a goal and go get what you said you want to get. That's the only way in everything, in business and life and everything. You make the decision, you create your life you want to have by your action, by your imagination, by your prayers, by your step by step action, learning, getting your information from people who really knows. Make sure you get this information, make sure you get caught up with everything you need to do for 2023, and get that income you want to have in the last quarter. You still have a chance, 3 months left in the year. Make them worth more the entire year. Anything can happen in these 3 months. Anything can happen. You are the creator of your life. So go ahead and create your life. Now, if you need any help, if you want, if you're not sure, if you can't speak. If you did not do your taxes yet and need help with that, feel free to reach out to me if you do not have an accountant. If you have an accountant, go ahead and connect with them. Make sure to get them everything they need to do your taxes. If you do not have one, go ahead and book a call with me at my website. Instagram, you can message me. You can message me on any platform, but I cannot guarantee that I'm going to be able to see, especially now I'm very busy. You can go ahead and book a call. That's the easiest way to actually get a hold of me and to make sure I see it, because that gets into my calendar and I see it and I make sure to be there for you. So go ahead and book a call, nourasbooks.com/contacts, or you can just go nourasbooks.com and then go to contact us, and that's where you can book a call with me. So go ahead and do that. Another thing, another great news, I'm really excited for. I've been on TV, guys. Yay. I've been on TV. So this is the second Thursday I'm on TV. I am actually going to share that link here. This is where you can watch me. It's going to go tonight, 6 p.m. Central at Now Media TV. You want to go to Biz Talk. I'm there with Micah Rager and Biz Talk, and you can see last week, like it was September 21st. You'll see that episode on this page, actually, in the screen. You can get to the the page for the show, and then from there you can see previous episode. You can go to the episode for September 21st. You'll see me toward, like, I think minute 34, around that. Yeah, I think minute 34. And today, I don't know when it's going to be, but you're going to see me for today's episode. So go ahead and tune in. Go to Now Media TV /shows/biz talk and give me your opinion. I will also share that with my mailing list, like from last week and this week. I'm going to share that, guys, with you guys on my mailing list. So go ahead and subscribe to my email list. You can go to just to my website and just go down. You'll find the place where you can subscribe to my mailing list so you can receive that. As soon as I receive that from the TV, so I will share that with you guys. So yeah, I can't wait. I can't wait to be there next time. And hopefully you will guys benefit from the show, watch other guests as well. Yeah, I'm excited. So I hope you like it. Like, I would love to hear from you, get your feedback. Thank you, Brittnei. And also, we are going to be thank you. What? Okay, guys. Okay, guys. I'm so excited. I'm super excited. Okay. So tomorrow, me and Brittnei will be again with you guys at 1 p.m. Central. 1 p.m. Central. We're going to be live on every platform. Instagram people, you're not going to see both of us. You can see one of us only. So if you want to see both of us, be on YouTube, be on Facebook, be on LinkedIn, Just be on those pages, and we cannot wait to talk to you tomorrow. We have a great topic. We will let you know soon. Watch out on our pages on YouTube. You will actually know the topic soon. We're going to get that to you soon. So we'll see you tomorrow at 1 p.m. And if you did not register yet for our Available Money Now Mastermind, it's going to be virtual this time. Go ahead and register. You can bring a guest for free. We're going to talk more about it tomorrow. So bring your questions. Come over at 1 p.m. tomorrow, and we cannot wait to see you. All right? Have a great night and see you Friday. Bye.